Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called slip sheet. The slip sheet is used as a pallet support device in vehicle delivery and transportation of products. When slip sheets are supported by a pallet board, flat load carrying surface, or a cart or a forklift truck, the structural strength of slip sheet supports the product's load weight. With the slip sheet supported by one of these transportation devices, the unit load can easily be transported both internally within a facility and externally between two facility locations. It helps to decrease the human intervention in order to provide safety and efficiency of the work. There are several types of slip sheet that can be used for transportation of unit load depending upon desired use of the sheet. The slip sheet is shaped and dimensioned to the size of the product or unit load. The type of slip sheet varies depending on both the number of slip extension and the material from which it is manufactured. The variation used will depend on loading pattern, unit load parameters, and desired maneuverability of slip sheet or unit load. The slip sheet has 4 to 6 inch tab that extend behind one or more of the sides of slip sheet. The lip extension permit push or pull device to lift the slip sheet unit load. This type of a slip sheet is a single lip or slip sheet. With the single lip, the lip faces the narrow part of rectangular shaped unit load and delivery truck load. Thanks for watching. Bye.